Hey guys, Matthew here. So a couple weeks ago I did a review of the Sony SRS XB23 and then before that I did kind of an unboxing of that. That speaker is the direct competitor to this speaker right here. This speaker actually came out first, and so Sony came out with their XB23. And so I decided I would get this speaker. I know this one has been out for several months now, but I decided to get this speaker and kind of do a comparison on the two to find out which one is better or which one sounds better. This one originally priced at $119. However, currently it is on sale for $89.99 on Best Buy's website and on JBL's website. I know the Sony is about $99 originally. Sometimes you can find it on sale for $79. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing of this speaker, and then later on, a couple weeks down the road, I will do a review on this speaker and possibly kind of a comparison between this and the Sony XB23. So stay tuned. So first off, I bought this from Best Buy and I had the free 2-day shipping. Well, I'll put a picture up, but UPS tried to hide my speaker in the packaging under my doormat, and so I just thought that was hilarious that they did that. Obviously, there's something under the doormat. I don't know why they would, but anyways, it was just funny that they attempted to hide my speaker. Anyways, let's just go over the quick specs, I guess, before we unbox this. This has 20 watts of continuous power, so it's supposed to sound pretty good. It's supposed to be robust enough to play and have some good bass. I know that they've kind of changed their design a little bit. They've made this a little bit thicker but a little bit shorter than the Flip 4. I'll put a picture of the Flip 4 so you can kind of see and compare the two. But anyways, hopefully this is going to sound really good. Sadly, this uses Bluetooth 4.2 in a day where you have 5.0, 5.1, and now I believe there's 5.2 coming out soon. I'm sad to see that JBL has 4.2. Yes, this speaker has been out for a few months now, but still I wish that they had maybe moved to 5.0. I know Sony's XB23 is Bluetooth 5.0, but again, Sony's speaker just came out maybe a month to 2 months ago. So anyways, when it comes to battery life, you have about 12 hours of continuous use of this speaker on a single charge. However, I think it does have quick charge, so you can get like an hour with 10 minutes or 15 minutes of charge. So anyways, this also uses USB-C to charge, and we will kind of go over the physical aspects of this speaker, and I will show you that USB-C charging port in the back there. Let's go ahead and unbox the speaker and kind of see how it is. So we got our knife. We'll go ahead and cut here and cut here on this side. I believe that's all we have. Of course, JBL's slogan, "Dare to listen." So I'll take it out the bottom, the reverse way that it's supposed to be. But anyways, we'll move that to the side. So we have this box here, and if you open this up, it comes in a little thing, and here is the speaker itself. Pretty nice speaker, very robust, durable. It feels good in the hand. It's not too light, not too heavy. It's a good size. So we'll kind of move this to the side. We'll close this box back up. And the only other thing you get in the packaging box is this right here. We'll kind of take this open, and in here you get kind of your quick start guide. You get warranties and all this other stuff. We don't really need that. Definitely don't need this, so we'll toss that. Don't really need this. Whatever, toss that. But the only other thing you get is the power cord. So this is USB-A to USB-C. It is different than what comes with, I guess, the Charge 3. I'm not sure if the Charge 4 comes with it, but before The Charge 3 came with a bright orange USB-A to micro USB cable. It was a flat cable, but still it was micro USB, and it was orange because I mean, as you can see, JBL's official color is orange, so they were trying to mix and match that. But here you see just a black cord, and I will say this cord is actually a little bit longer, at least from what I remember, from the cord that came with the JBL Charge 3. I'm not sure if the Charge 4 comes with a cable like this, or if it comes with that flat orange cable. But anyways, I like that they've changed it. They've made the cable a little bit longer, and they've added USB-C instead of that micro USB. So we'll kind of toss the packaging there, toss this, we don't need that, and we will move this to the side. And here is the speaker itself from JBL. So this speaker, I'm not sure if you can tell the color, but this speaker is actually ocean blue. It comes with a number of different colors. On Best Buy's website, you have ocean blue, you have the black color, you also have teal, which is a bright blue, almost, yeah, super bright blue color. You have red, and then you have the white color as well. On JBL's website, you have a bunch of other options, along with you can kind of customize it, make it yours. You can have camo, stuff like that. But for this, I just went with the ocean blue color that I got from Best Buy's website here. So let's go over the quick physical looks of this device here, and then we'll kind of see connecting and all that as well. So right here on the top, you have the pause and play button. You also have the plus minus, which is for volume up, volume down, and then you have the party chain button. So this speaker, along with like a bunch of other speakers nowadays, just like the Sony and stuff like that, you can connect, I think, up to 100 of these together. I'm not sure why you would want to connect 100 of these, but I think this JBL actually started doing this before Sony did. But you can connect a bunch of these. If you have a bunch of JBL Flip 5s, you can connect them. I don't think you can do a Flip 4 with a Flip 5 and connect it that way, because it's a different kind of program or software. But if you have a bunch of Flip 5s, you can connect them and have like stereo pairing, or you can have like just a party and a bunch of sound. So on the back here, you have your power button right here, and you have your Bluetooth button for connecting to your Bluetooth device, and then you have your USB-C port right here. Sadly, there is no auxiliary port here, so you can't connect via an auxiliary cord. You have to connect via Bluetooth, which is kind of sad, but I know a lot of devices are doing this. I know the Sony has done away with the 3.5mm headphone jack, so sad, but I see JBL doing that. I see other companies doing that, so it's not a deal breaker in my opinion. You also have this kind of, not lanyard, but the strap here. It's nice. You can replace it if you want. It kind of gives you some grip if you want to put it on this and just hold it like that. Sony's speaker, the XP23, also has this, so it's kind of nice. I like that. And then here, this is what makes JBL and what JBL has kind of been known for, especially with their Flip series and their Charge series. But they have these exposed base radiators right here that allow for, if I were you, I wouldn't push in, but I'm just going to. But it allows for a better bass response. So that's also pretty cool. I like that. Hopefully this allows for that better bass response, better airflow, so you can get good bass out of a speaker this size. This speaker has an IPX7 rating, meaning that it can withstand water splashes, and you can actually submerge it underwater for, like, I believe 30 minutes in a meter of water, maybe 2 meters. I'm not 100% sure. But anyways, so if you want to take this speaker out into at the pool, in the pool, anything like that, you can do that. And I also believe that this speaker will float as well, which is nice. And that way, if you're, let's say, in the pool and your speaker gets dunked in, you don't have to worry about, oh, I have to go all the way down to the bottom, especially if you're in the deep end. But anyways, I'll do more of a review on this speaker later on. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and try to connect this to the phone and just show you how quick and easy that pairing process is. I'm not going to play any music or anything. I'll wait until the actual review for kind of listening and all that. But anyways, so there's this JBL Connect app right here. You can get it through the Play Store. You can get it through the iOS store. But you can download that, and it has some extra function. We'll kind of go through that real quick in a minute. But I'll go ahead and turn this speaker on. There we go. And once you turn it on, it goes straight into pairing mode, as you can hear. And so then I'll go into my Bluetooth devices on my phone and do available devices and JBL Flip 5. There you go. And just like that, it's connected. Super simple, super easy. Don't have to do any kind of connecting and setup and all that. But anyways, okay, so now I'm just going to go into the Connect app right here and kind of see how this thing works. So it's starting up. Let's just do this. Okay, start. Access needed. Okay. And there we go. So now it's going to search for my product, the JBL Flip 5. It's found it. Party mode, wireless link, more than 100 Party Boost compatible speakers together. Again, Party Boost compatible speakers. So I believe your Flip 4, especially your Flip 3, won't connect to the Party Boost, but possibly the Flip 4, but I'm not 100% sure. I know it's just like the Charge 4 and the Charge 3, they aren't compatible with each other. You can charge a Charge 3, or you can pair a Charge 3 with another Charge 3, or a Charge 4 with another Charge 4, but you can't go backwards or do a 3 with a 4. So anyways, but let's just do that. And then stereo mode, that's again setting your right and your left speaker. And there you go. And you can do the connect, all that, and this is where you would go to update your speaker. Just like with the Sony speaker, the app uses firmware to update your speaker to kind of give it different functions, make things a little bit better and all that. But anyways, we'll go ahead and download this firmware update the speaker, and then go from there. Okay guys, well thank you. I'm currently updating the firmware of this device. However, it's going to take quite a while, and I just figured that I would just show you that you can update firmware through the JBL Connect app and all that. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. In the next couple weeks, I will go ahead and do a review on this speaker, and then I'll also do a comparison between this speaker and the Sony SRS XB23 speaker. Well, thank you guys for watching. This has been my JBL Flip 5 unboxing. Until then, everyone, stay safe.